goes.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Drew Rosie, learn how to pew pew. I'm here with the rifle that got me, what do we have, 16 million views on the video and over 3,000 comments. This was the rifle in question. This is my rifle. My rifle is perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it. There's multiple videos of me shooting my rifle. This is the rifle we had a problem with, so we're gonna try to do what we can right here without having to order any parts or anything like that.
Oh, I'm going off the way, duh.
Don't forget this little square piece.
Good.
You look pretty good.
Stop it. Okay, so now I have the rifle in question. I'm gonna go ahead and I have two different magazines. These are not the original magazines for the rifle. These are my magazines. They're perfectly fine. I loaded up two different kinds of ammo. It's a green tip, and I'm just gonna see how she cycles. Get in here close. And I only put 5 rounds in it, so
Didn't go in.
damn. What?
Push the mag up here.
Oh, wow. What? Okay, we'll try another magazine.
Are you sure you're gonna pull the thing back first? No, didn't do it either.
What the fuck? Hold on. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull it back.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Do it this way. Alright, go again. No, are you recording?
Yeah.
You're still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. I think you did it.
Ooh. Hold up, hold up. I totally forgot.
You failed your safety videos.
As you can see, it shot all 5 rounds, but it's looking like when I insert the magazine and I try to load it, okay, there it went, never mind. All right, you see it. Did you get in here?
Yeah.
You gotta get close in here. This is what we're talking about right now. That bullet active. Load me up again. You good? Alright. Alright, I swapped the bolts back out. You can see here I got the black bolt back in. What I'm seeing so far is it's loading. I don't know what's wrong. Get in here close so you can see anything. Was it? It's working, dude. I don't get it. I don't know. Well, overall, I can confirm a couple things about this weapon. One, if you look here, we have Anderson lower. This is a really cheap sight. I know some of y'all were mentioning the sight. This is a bad sight. I do not like that one bit. It looks like he shot it so much that he actually melted off the front sight. So that's gone. It's not in really bad condition, but it could definitely use a clean. especially from all them brass shavings. Yeah, we could use a clean on them. But in all honesty, I don't know. I really don't understand what happened. I mean, it's shooting fine now. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section what you think, and maybe we could try some other things. But for right now, she shot just well. But it's not a cheap rifle, but some of the components that are on it are kind of cheap. But works perfectly. I do not know what happened last time. I'm pretty sure I made the video because I was pulling the charging handle real soft, right? And it wasn't loading. And it wasn't loading because I was pulling the charging handle too soft and riding it forward. But this buffer spring is, I mean, the buffer spring is hard, man. I gotta really pull this thing back. So I don't think it's the buffer spring for sure. I also don't know if he changed any parts in between me having it, but I would assume no, because he didn't even get a front sight. So